Have you ever seen the greatest League of Legends player of all time shaking his wrist mid-game? Even the six-time world champion GOAT isn't immune to hand and wrist problems. But here's the scary part. The same issues affecting pro esports athletes are happening to mobile gamers, students, desktop workers, and anyone constantly using their hands. Stay until the end, because I'll show you 4 simple rehab exercises you can use to protect your hands and wrists. Hi, I'm a licensed physio. Here's a quick tip you can use. Let's start with something most gamers feel first: thumb fatigue. Mobile gaming, texting, scrolling, and swiping all overload the thumb flexor muscles and tendons. Over time, this can cause thumb pain, palm tightness, slower reaction time, and reduced grip endurance. And if ignored, repetitive strain can build up into bigger issues. This first exercise keeps your finger tendons moving smoothly. It's called tendon gliding. Flex your thumb. Bring thumb closer to palm and pinky finger, then extend them actively, from full flexion to full extension. Do it in a one smooth motion. Do it with all fingers if you want. Nice form! Do 10 reps slowly, twice a day for game of thumb relief. Great job! Lazy proof. Next is a thumb stretch, which is huge for mobile gamers. Use your other hand and gently pull your thumb backward into extension. You should feel the stretch through the thumb and palm muscles. Stretch to a range without pain. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 8 to 12 times until you add up to 5 minutes. Do it 2 to 3 times a day. This stretch helps counteract the constant gripping and tapping that mobile gaming causes. Now let's talk about why even elite players like Faker have dealt with wrist and arm problems. While the exact diagnosis hasn't always been publicly confirmed, many esports athletes develop nerve compression injuries from repetitive use. 2 of the most common are cubital tunnel syndrome, the irritation of the ulnar nerve at the elbow, and carpal tunnel syndrome, the compression of the median nerve at the wrist. Both can cause numbness, weakness, and hand fatigue. Here's a stretch that helps both. Straighten your elbow, palm facing up. Use your other hand to gently pull your fingers back. You should feel a stretch along your wrist flexors and forearm. Stretch in a range without pain. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat 8 to 12 times to add up to 5 minutes. Do 2 to 3 times a day. Good job! Finally, Faker described his injury as something similar to ulnar nerve entrapment. If you feel tingling in your ring finger or pinky, your ulnar nerve might be irritated. This exercise is called an ulnar nerve glide. Begin with your arm extended straight out. Keep your hand and wrist neutral or relaxed. Slowly flex the elbow to bring your hand toward your chin or shoulder. Keep it in a range without pain. You may choose to tilt your head away from the affected side, but if you are quite symptomatic, it is better to tilt your head towards your hand. For maximal glide, you could extend and point your fingers toward the ceiling instead of letting them drop. Then reverse the motion smoothly and slowly to the starting position. Each glide should take 3 to 5 seconds in a slow, controlled motion. Repeat 5 to 10 reps. Practice this twice a day. Fabulous! Carry games, not injuries. This is your gaming physio. Follow for more easy fixes. This content is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Consult a qualified healthcare professional for personal assessment and treatment.